Ooh, can you hear that? Can you smell that? Friends, Raahi has arrived in the rainforest. Today we are going somewhere that covers only 6% of the Earth's surface, but is home to more than half of all animals and plants on the entire planet. The Amazon rainforest. Let's explore. In the next 7 minutes, you'll meet animals you've never seen, discover why the rainforest is called the lungs of the Earth, and find out why every single person on our planet needs the rainforest to survive, even if you've never visited one. Ready? Let's go. The first thing you need to know, the rainforest is not just trees. It's a whole city, a living, breathing city with different neighborhoods stacked on top of each other. Let me show you the 4 floors. Floor number 1, the emergent layer. These are the tallest trees, reaching 60 meters high. Harpy eagles, macaws, and butterflies live up here, blazing in full sunlight. It's windy and wild, like living on a rooftop. Floor number 2, the canopy layer. This is where most of the rainforest's animals live. Toucans, sloths, tree frogs, howler monkeys. It's full of sunlight and leaves everywhere, like a giant green umbrella over the whole forest. Floor number 3, the understory layer. Now it gets mysterious. Only 5% of sunlight reaches here. It's dim, shadowy, hot, and humid. This is where the hunters hide. Jaguars, leopards, tree-climbing snakes, and poison dart frogs. And floor number 4, the forest floor. Almost completely dark. But this is the most important layer. Dead leaves decompose here and feed the whole forest. Gorillas, anteaters, giant insects and fungi all call this home. Each layer is a completely different world, different animals, different plants, different rules. An animal from the canopy might never even touch the forest floor in its entire life. They live their whole life up there. Which layer would you want to live in? The sunny rooftop? The leafy canopy? The mysterious understory? Or the dark forest floor? Tell me in the comments, okay? I'm in the understory layer. It is very dark, it is very humid, and something is definitely watching me from behind that leaf. Let's slowly see what it is. Oh, wow! It's a jaguar. Beautiful and terrifying all at once. Jaguars are the only big cat that kills prey by biting through the skull. Their jaw is so powerful it can crack a turtle shell. And they love swimming unlike most cats. Don't worry, in our cartoon rainforest, Raahi is perfectly safe. Probably. Now let's climb up into the canopy layer. Light floods in. And look, a brilliant scarlet macaw just landed on my arm. This macaw can crack a nut with force strong enough to break your finger with its beak. Let that sink in for a moment. Macaws also eat clay from riverbanks as a kind of medicine. The minerals neutralize the toxins in the seeds they eat. They discovered their own antidote. How cool is that? And look over there, hanging upside down. It's a 3-toed sloth. The world's slowest mammal. Sloths move so slowly that algae grows on their fur, giving them camouflage. And they can hold their breath for 40 minutes underwater. Sloths only go to the toilet once a week. They climb down from the trees, do their business, and climb back up. This is the most dangerous moment of a sloth's life because predators know to wait for it. Imagine only going to the toilet once a week and risking your life every time. Actually, don't imagine that. Let's move on. Now down on the forest floor, I see something tiny and incredibly colorful. It's a poison dart frog. Something that tiny, that colorful, that deadly. Its skin contains enough toxin to kill 10 grown humans. The bright color is a warning to predators. Indigenous hunters dipped their blow dart tips in the frog's toxin for hunting. That's where the name comes from. The frog gets its poison from the insects it eats. In captivity, eating different food, they become completely harmless. Nature is absolutely wild. Which animal was your favorite so far? Jaguar, macaw, sloth, poison dart frog? Shout it out. I want to introduce you to the most important living thing in this forest. It's not the jaguar, it's not the macaw. It's this tree, and trees exactly like it all over the world. The Amazon rainforest produces about 20% of the world's oxygen through photosynthesis. Trees absorb carbon dioxide and release fresh oxygen. Billions of trees doing this every single second, day and night. It's the planet's breathing system. Rainforest trees release water vapor through their leaves, a process called transpiration. This water forms clouds above the forest and then falls back as rain. The Amazon rainforest essentially creates its own weather. Remove the trees and the rain stops. 25% of all medicines used in modern hospitals contain ingredients first discovered in rainforest plants. Treatments for cancer, malaria, heart disease, and more, all from plants that may not exist anywhere else on Earth. By absorbing carbon dioxide, the main cause of climate change, the Amazon acts as a giant air conditioner for Earth. Scientists estimate that without the Amazon, global temperatures could rise by an additional 1.5 degrees. The whole planet depends on it. So here's the thing. You might live thousands of miles away from a rainforest, but the air you breathe, the medicines in your home, the weather patterns that bring rain to your city, all of it is connected to the rainforest. We are connected to the rainforest. Take a deep breath right now. Some of that oxygen, a tiny bit, might have been made by an Amazon tree. Isn't that the coolest thing? There's something important I need to tell you. The rainforest is in trouble. Every single minute, an area of rainforest the size of a football pitch is cut down. Every single minute. When the trees disappear, the animals lose their homes, the oxygen reduces, the rain patterns change. The medicines disappear before we even discover them. It affects all of us. But here's the good news. And there is good news. People all over the world are working to protect the rainforest, and every single one of us can help, even you, even right now. 3 things you can do to help. 1, learn about it, which you are doing right now. Sharing knowledge protects things. 2, use less paper and recycle. Fewer trees need to be cut down. 3, tell someone what you learned today. The more people care, the more the rainforest is protected. Okay, what did we learn today? Repeat after Raahi one last time. The rainforest has 4 layers: emergent, canopy, understory, and forest floor, each a totally different world. The Amazon is home to jaguars, sloths, macaws, poison dart frogs, and millions of species we haven't even discovered yet. The rainforest is called Earth's lungs because it produces 20% of our oxygen and absorbs carbon dioxide that causes climate change. It also creates its own rainfall through transpiration and provides ingredients for 25% of all medicines. The rainforest needs us, and we need it. Everyone is connected to the rainforest wherever they live. Every time we learn, share, and care, we help protect it. Even small actions matter. You just became a rainforest expert. Seriously, most adults don't know half of what you just learned. That makes you a rainforest guardian. Welcome to the club. That was Raahi's Rainforest Adventure, one of my favorite episodes ever. If you feel the same way, smash that like button and subscribe so we can keep exploring together every week. Next time on The Raahi Show, we're counting all the way to 100 with Raahi. Numbers, patterns, surprises, and I promise it's way more fun than it sounds. See you there. Bye-bye, yay!